Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to ask you to join me exploring the iPhone features. And today I would like to show you the way how to edit your picture only with iPhone without any editing application. So the thing that you have to do, visit your photo library here, and you just need to find the picture that you want to edit. So let's edit this picture. To edit this, you will see that in the top right corner there will be an edit symbol. You just need to go click it, and now you can start to edit this picture with the features that you have down here. There will be 3 sections. This one is to adjusting and correcting about the color of the photo that you have, and this one will be a filters that you can automatically use and apply into the picture. And this one is for cropping and adjusting the size of the picture and as well as the ratio. Okay, so to do a basic editing, if you want to have a better color, go into this first section and you just need to explore everything here and adjusting. Start from the exposure. If you want to reduce the exposure, go drag it into the left side. The brilliance, about adding like a light on the picture, you can see the difference right there. And the highlights, it's also adding a light into the specific part of the picture. But the shadows here is the main that I mostly use too. So adding the shadows to have, you know, like a black color in the specific part to make it to make the photos look real. And then for the contrast, you can add the contrast by dragging into the right side. Brightness, if you want to add the brightness, go drag it into the right side. So after you're done doing editing, you just need to go click check the result by click this and hold it. This is the original and this is after you edit the picture. You can see the difference, right? And after you're satisfied with editing, go click done, and here is the result. So that is the way how to edit a picture only with iPhone without any editing application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.